back to the channel. I'm so excited because today we're going to be filming on a new camera that I just bought. I finally got my hands on the Insta360 Go 3S. I've been wanting this camera for a while and they just came out with a new one, the Go Ultra. Since they just came out with the new one, I guess they were doing like a summer sale, so I got this one for like $120 less than how much it usually is, which is so nice. I'm super excited to start to use it. I've been really wanting a smaller camera that also can go hands-free. This part over here can pop out and you can attach it to any metal surface, which I think will be really fun to get a bunch of different shots. It's also waterproof, so I can't wait to use it when I go on vacations. I'm so happy and so excited to use this. It comes with a bunch of different like hands-free accessories as well. So we have the necklace pendant, I guess that's what it's called, that you put it around your neck, underneath your shirt, and you can just attach it and it can go hands-free for you and you don't have to do anything. You get like really cool POV shots. There's also an attachment that can go onto like your hat, or you can like clip it onto something, but the camera goes and just slips into as well, which is super cool. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one that much because I don't like typically wear hats anyways, but still really cool accessory. And then obviously we have the sticky mount, so this can stick on like most flat surfaces, which is super cool, and I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of cool shots using this. Also, I don't know if it was because I used someone's code online or it was because it was a summer sale, but I also got this whole carrying case for free, and I think this is usually like $30, so this is super nice to have because there's so many accessories that can go in here, and I feel like it makes my life so much easier now. I don't have to like figure out a bag to put everything in, but it just can go like this. I can put it in my backpack or whatever, wherever I go. Just so cool. I just wanted to make this vlog so I can test it out and you guys can see what it's like using these new little Insta360s. So I'm gonna be using it for this weekend. I don't have much planned. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna go out and run some errands. I don't really have anything planned, but like we can see what shots we can get when we're out in the city. And then on Sunday I'm gonna go to my parents' place and they have a pool, so we're gonna test out how it does underwater, which I think will be really cool as well. But so excited to get my hands on this, and let's see how it performs. Okay, so it is lunchtime now. I'm gonna do a little POV cooking. I'm gonna use the pendant, and I don't know if the angle is gonna be right on it, so I'm probably also going to attach like the hat clip thing, because you can control the angle with this one, which is pretty cool. So let's put this on and let's try it out. Okay, it's on. Don't mind my laundry over here. I'm also using the action pod so I can see what I'm looking at. I'm literally just making mac and cheese. I have cooked chicken breasts already that I'm gonna add to it, but I'm just gonna have mac and cheese for now because it's my lazy and kind of comfort lunch that I make when I don't have so much time. I am working from home today, so let's do this. Honestly, filming with that was so easy. I don't think I've ever filmed me cooking with such ease before. I feel like I'm always like so stressed when I'm trying to cook and film, but that was amazing. That was so cool because I didn't have to do anything, which is super nice. I have it on my chest right now. I don't know if people walking by can tell. They're setting up for TIFF. I think it's next weekend or the weekend after. Not really sure. But I feel like I always say that the end of summer and beginning of fall for Toronto is so busy all the time. There's always so much happening.
Italy to buy a steak.
Not Italy, Italy.
That's what I said.
They're having a sale on steaks right now, so we're gonna get one. We got one last year and it was huge, so we're gonna get it again. Ordering his wagyu. I got my lychee iced tea. It has some lychees in it. It's really good. Good morning. We are heading over to the gym this morning. I am gonna try to attempt to use this camera in the gym, but the gym does have a little bit of a policy on filming. I can't get anyone in the background, so it depends how busy it is today. But I really want to try like putting it on different places of the squat rack and like seeing what the footage looks like, so I think that'd be pretty cool. Also reviewed some of the footage from last night, and like I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Even in like the lower lights, I didn't mind it as much as I thought it would, but pretty good so far. So we'll head over to the gym and see if we can film anything. Just finished up in the gym. I am so happy with this camera because I've never filmed in the gym before, and it had been so easy. Like putting it, like just the camera in different spots, like on like different racks, on different machines, was so easy for me to get like any shot of any extras that I was doing. Like for the gym, I think this camera is insane and so good. Also super discreet. Like I don't think anyone could even see that there was like a camera around, which was like super cool. But very happy with this. So we're heading to Arabica. We're gonna get a little drink. This is their turmeric banana. I think pineapple's in it too.
It's good.
Oh, it's so good right here. Let's try the samosa.
It's really good.
Ew, it smells good. The pastry part, or the bread part, I guess, is so good.
The stuffing is good too.
No, the stuffing is really good. This is the steak that we got from Italy yesterday. Ornaki's gonna cut some of the fat off so we can cook the Brussels sprouts in it as well. But look how good this steak looks.
This is Ciara's camera.
All right, time to test in the pool. Oh my god! Don't, Melky! He thinks you're a threat! Stop, let him go! You're being mean. You're gonna kill him. Hey guys, I'm finally home. I've been using this camera basically the entire weekend, and I honestly was very skeptical of it at first because when I saw the quality, especially when I was recording inside the apartment, I was like, ugh, like it's not that great. But I also knew I did want to use it as a secondary camera for like cooler and easier shots for myself. So I was like, okay, like let me see how it is like going out. I think I spoke on it before, but in the gym I loved using it. It was so easy. It's actually like really nice having something so low-key. So for the gym, I'm really happy with the shots that came out. I feel like I've seen this a lot online, people talking about how it is in low light settings, and I've definitely noticed that like the quality gets pretty grainy when it is in low light settings. So I think I just have to be careful with that. But again, like I do want to use this as more as a secondary camera, and I do most of my filming like in the apartment or like during the day anyway, so I feel like it won't be that much of an issue. But convenience wise, I genuinely think it's so much better than my phone, just because especially if I'm like filming myself, it's a lot more low-key to be holding this than my phone in my hand. It looks like a lot more discreet and less obvious that I am filming, which I do like. And also for me, like people always say like this is the shy girl camera, and genuinely it is. I genuinely like think it is so easy to be filming with this, yeah, and making it like so much easier to like vlog myself or like vlog whatever I'm looking at, which is super cool. I know a lot of people make the comparison between like this camera and the DJI Osmos Pocket 3. I was deciding whether or not which one to get, and I did end up getting this one because it went on sale. The reason why I wanted this camera to begin with is because I wanted it to be small and discreet. I don't think that the DJI Osmos Pocket 3 is more discreet than just filming on your phone, because like it has that whole stick that you can't take off. So for me, like it didn't really make that much of a difference between like my phone or the Osmos. So I'm really glad that I ended up getting this one, and also it's like half the price, so I'm fine with it. Obviously, you're not going to get the best quality if you were to get the Osmos, but I'm honestly fine with it because again, I have my phone as my primary camera. But yeah, this camera is actually really fun to get like more creative shots. I could put my phone at the bottom of the pool, but like I don't really do that because I don't want to risk it. But this one, I just like went down, tossed it down there. Obviously nothing happened to it because it's waterproof, which is super cool. And then like my cooking shots I think is really fun. And again, like what I said before, it is so easy filming with this to do like hands-free POV stuff, especially for cooking because there's so many moving parts there. So that was really cool. Just a lot of cool angles that you can get with this, and it's really easy to shoot like for long form or short form content, which I really like as well. Using it in the pool was actually really fun. Usually when I go on vacations and I'm doing like underwater stuff, I'll just use a GoPro, which I think like the quality on this one is a little bit better than GoPro, which is nice. And then also like obviously I can take this out, like literally leave it at the bottom of the pool, but like I don't really see much of a difference when I'm filming underwater between like this and like using a GoPro. But I still really like using this for my underwater stuff. And also like the GoPro that I use is my dad's, so like now I have like my own camera, so I can take around when I'm like off on my own vacations and he's not there, which is nice. So I think my final thoughts for this camera is that it's going to be a great secondary camera for me. If I want a shot that's a bit more better quality, or like I want the details of something, I will probably grab my phone. But honestly, as something to like really quickly pick up and I want to be more discreet, I'm definitely going to be grabbing this one rather than my phone because of like how low-key it is. And honestly, like it's so cute. Like it's genuinely just like a lot cuter. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are thinking about buying an Insta360 camera, I hope this helps you make your decision. To sum it up, definitely love my decision. I was really skeptical about this when I first got it just because of like the quality. It isn't comparable really to my phone, but I still love it. I think it's going to be a great camera for me to just bring around everywhere and make myself feel a bit more comfortable when I'm out in public and filming with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!